So, good morning. Obviously, yes, I was on about the ECU, which I might clip bits out of that video because there's certain things I can't really say or shouldn't really be saying. But yes, now I've got the ECU. Big thanks to Motorsport Electronics for basically we'll be sorting the firmware out on that. Hopefully getting that very soon, which means the car can start soon. I'm going to take off all the tape off the engine. These clear coated and had all week to cure. So I'm going to take all the masking tape off, get them ready. The rotors I've got to brake clean and we'll be assembling out there on the table in a sec. What other bits, load of parts there. So I'm going to give Tom the GoPro. I don't have a microphone on it, annoyingly, today, because I've left it at home. So you're going to have to make do with actually, but let me I'll sort this out first. Then get cracking.
Yeah, it's lovely that.
Yeah, mush, film away. So yeah, I'm going to sound dog shit because I'm partly ill and no microphone. But, yeah, I'll slap some gloves on just to keep it extra nice. Oh shit. Get all the tape taken off all of this and it's ready to assemble. Oh, shit. That's not worked out that well.
Yeah, that paint makes it lovely. You can't see anything much with the eyes, but
Until
the camera until that light hits it. But
yeah,
it's really fucking nice.
I'll get that sat outside in the sun in a sec. So front cover. Which I might need a little razor blade to finish off hooking up bits of tape on that one. It'd be a shame if I dropped it now, wouldn't it?
Yeah, don't do that.
Yeah, I'm going to need a little razor blade just to hook off odd little bits. That I want to try and keep as a whole piece because I'll make a little gasket for that piece. I need some tweezers actually. I need some tweezers or needle nose so I can hook out bits. Shit. A little flathead will do. There we go. Set one off. Studs off. Little bolt holes out. That's cleared out now. Lovely. Oh, there's a paint one there, but oh well. There's one little hole there, if I can get that one out. There we go. Cool. That's gorgeous.
Not sure how much.
A few moments later.
So, little time lapse of assembling them. Not sure quite how well it's looked, but I wasn't going to go into detail because all these side seals and springs can be quite complex. But side seals, springs, all control rings, all of them in, other than the apex seals and lots of Vaseline. Apex seals and apex seal springs are there, ready to go. Oops. So I'm going to get Tom on the GoPro and we'll start assembling engine over there. Yeah. Rotors have had all the seals put on them now. They're ready, all Vaselined up. I'm going to put the front bearing on, just lightly with 1 or 2 bolts. We'll start assembling the full assembly. Yeah. So I'm doing a little bit of oil. I have got 20W50 I'm using for the assembly, and probably the running oil as well. I think it's full oil because I'm not being boosted or anything like that. It's just NA, which will do. I'm just going to loop that all up. And then let that slip in. It's going to be a... Come on. Why are you being tight now? Oh, why are you... Oh. There we go, my bad. Cool. What did I do with those nuts and bolts? Not those ones. One's over here, I think you put them over here. Yes. All of these. You may have realised everything's on the grass at the moment, but it is fine. These ones. Okay. I'm gonna just put, I think, 1 or 2 in lightly for now by hand. Just so that stays where it should stay. There we go. Oh, fuck. Towel. Cool, still recording? Yeah, sweet. I'll flip this over without touching the paints because I don't want to get paint oil on the paint. Okay. Now, if I remember rightly, I think there's a bead of silicone sealant down there and down that edge there. If I recall, yes, there is. So, first things first, silicone sealant. Where do we go? It's up there, is it? Are you sure? No, it's not. It's inside. And also, I need to have a look at what the torque spec is for these studs, which I cannot remember. I don't know off the top of my head. So I'm going to have a look at that. Okay. 29 to 30. Seriously, 20? What? I don't believe that in any way, shape or form. It is... Oh, 31 to 39 newton meters. May as well just go 40 newton meters then. That's really low torque. So, silicone sealant, yes. Squeeze a bit out already. Housings. Yeah, it is literally just that edge, isn't it? Yeah. Cool. And then what I'm going to do is dowels. So I'm going to use one dowel. Actually, I am going to have to use both dowels. I'm just going to wipe them off with my hands. oil all on the dowel. One in there, and then the other one. Good load of oil on there as well. In there. Definitely in there, yep. Okay. Now, housing one. Which is going to go that way around. Should squash that silicone sealant in that gap there. And in there. And rest down. Cool. Yep. Front rotor. That is front iron. And then it is going to be going. So that, yeah. Yeah, it will be going that way. So that. Oh my god, this is scary. Everything's in there. That's fine. What I'm going to do is just pour some oil all on there. Just give that a little mop round by my hand and on the walls. How much battery's on there?
42.
Okay, cool. I'm doing well, I'm doing well. Yep, and that goes in there. Oh my god. Oh, that's scary. That is scary. Okay, cool. Now I need to put the E-shaft in there. This is where I might need a bit of your hand at some point, but hopefully not. Just dribble some oil all over this. And then that should slide in there. Nice. Now, next part is apex seals, which are over here. Sorry, my bad. So, apex seals are here and springs are here. Now, I'm going to take my gloves off for this because this is going to piss me off actually. So, apex seal one. Now, these have come with the corner seals glued to the apex seal. And some people said leave them glued on there and let them snap off when you actually tighten the engine down, so I think I'm going to go with that rule. I need 3 springs, small and large, then 3 of these. Again, lovely, genuine FD RX-5 apex seals. So there we go. What do? Down there, and we start off with the, if I recall, the small one. Ooh, don't bend it. Actually, I'll just let that tear itself out. I'm gonna just let that slide its way in. Why are you a bit stiff? Shit. Okay, I'm going to have to pull this shaft back out. Oh no, not good. Shit. Shit, 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 shit. Yep, there we go, I thought that had happened. Don't, oh, that's things. Yeah, thank you much. Okay, before I put this rotor in here, what I'm going to do is line these corner seals up. Yep. That one done. Come on. Line up, there we go. Yep. Those are all lined up. Okay, now back in you go. Okay, small spring. Oh no, large, sorry, my bad. It is large spring first. Can't lose that one. So what happens is we slip in a large spring. Large spring slips in. Then we've got to try and slide this small spring in. If I can get it in there, that is. Oh, no. There we go. That is that one in. Apex seal one in. Nice. That is one that's definitely empty. They're the small ones. Do them in a sec, Mish. Apex seal number 2. So again, I'm going to get this big spring in position and then press in. Oh my god, come on. There we go. And where's that small one? Second small one. Okay. I need to get this second spring in now. Oh, no, there we go. Ow! Oh my god! It's not easy, is it? That's... Oh, too far. Just trying to get this goddamn... There we go. There. There. Now, I think I'm going to put the E-shaft in it now. With those two in place, slip the E-shaft in. Oh, okay. Final spring. Large and small. Grab the small one. No, grab the large one. Okay, so large spring, an apex seal. How much battery, Mush?
28.
Okay, shit. Might have to go over to the phone. In you go, there we go. And then, why are you not going in? Oh, for fuck's sake, fucking... There we go. Corner spring was in the way. There. And then apex seal spring, a small one. Shit. There. Oh, don't do this. Some people might not like this, but I'm gonna. Little tap of persuasion. Oh, fuck off. Come on. Shit. What was that? Yeah, bit sludge. Yeah, that's dropped all the way down now. Great. So what I need to do now is big spring. This is going to be a little bit more difficult now. Do big spring, small spring. Yeah, bastard. Fuck. Wanker. Where the fuck's that silicon seam come from? Oh man. There we go. Push that lot down in there. No, don't do that. Rotate nicely.
We're on 21.
That's fine. Oh. Cool, just making sure that rotates very nicely. Had some issues with the apex seals on that rotor, but that's the first rotor in and done. Now, on my hands, centre iron. I need some more RTV on here. Oh. Scary part moments. Forgot to put the corn seals in there, but that's now been addressed. Oh, that was scary indeed. Probably should have put them in there with Vaseline, left them in there, and then they'll be fine. But hey ho. Now, because I've made these ones, I am leaving the join of the O-ring around here where the intake port is. So the join's there. You can't quite see it. Another seal. Bit of Vaseline again. Never have too much lube. And again, the join of that O-ring is around here, right by that stud, or the dowel. Sorry. Just gonna there. That's sitting there. Go running my finger around. There we go. Now, I've remembered them. Silicone sealant. And a bead down these corners. And then one here as well. That'll be jubbly. The next part definitely is the centre iron. Move that up. Fuck, ran out of oil. Shit. Where's my little pot of oil? Down the floor. I'm just gonna wham some oil on that face. This might have actually been the wrong face, to be fair. Nope, it's the right side. Correct side. I might need your hand for this one. Yeah. Can you lift that E shaft up? Better. Yeah, lift. Keep lifting. Now, okay. Now slide these. We are finally back on track again with a bit of grass. Yeah, this has probably been one of the most stressful things that I've ever had to do, is assemble one of these engines, because you're trying to get this assembled as quickly as possible while silicone sealant is beginning to set, and you phone GoPro decided to die. But yeah, this is probably one of the most fiddliest ever. Like, if if the seal does not want to go in like that, you've got to pull it back out and then try and straighten what's stopping it with something. Fucking hell. Which I don't think I can even. See, I don't think there's anything stopping that corner seal. So I'll slide the apex seal in on its own, but there is certainly something stopping it. It's probably the spring. It is highly likely to be the goddamn corner seal spring. Yeah, that's fine. You can come out for now while I try and resolve this issue. There's nothing stopping it from as far as I can tell. But there is. This is the annoying thing, is I don't want to be pulling this rotor back out again. Ah! There we go. Cool. So what I might do is now just slide that up. Slip these pieces in place. Come on, in you go. There we go. Spring. Oh shit, don't do that. Oh, come on. Ah, you bastard. Why are you not playing ball again? Oh. Ah, there we go. And then the smaller spring. How on earth people do this so goddamn quickly, I do not know. There we go. And that's in. And down it goes. There, done. Just use the edges and pliers, just make sure it's flush. Sweet. Now, finally, one last O-ring, and I think I did make a spare, so I'm hoping that that is a spare. One bead there, one bead there. I might do a cheeky, just lightly lift up if I can. No. Well, let's just hope there is a seal there. Now, the last piece of all, back iron. Which that is a little bit off centre at the moment. Done. Cool. Finally. Now I'm just going to slap the this gear in place all around that surface edge as well. Nope, wrong way around. That way around. And now, there. Cool, time to slap these bolts in place. Remember rightly, I had some lovely little Allen bolts that will do for now until I get some bit better ones. Because I am going to replace these with some nicer ones at some point, or some proper ones when I get hold of them. The stationary gear can be located as it is for now. Is that one? That's fine, cool. And I'm going to go and grab a Allen key real quick. So all the studs are there. What I've got is I've replaced obviously these stock seals and stuff with Doughty seals. Basically just steel washer with a rubber seal on it. Used very commonly in all kinds of maintenance stuff and whatnot. Takes high pressure, whatever else. But time to finally get these studs in place. So they are 2 long ones, which is going to be there. That's short, long, 2 shorts, short. Oh, that's a long one. Hey? Oh. Is there another long? Okay, weird. Let's just... Oh, I've got an extra stud there for some weird reason. Yeah, some weird reason. And they're both the same length. Yeah, they are. Okay, now a little bit Loctite. People probably don't do this, but I'm gonna, because I want to. Just a dabble, just to help. Just on each thread, just so it doesn't come undone. And I've cleared and chased all the threads out as well using this M10x1 tap, if I recall. So I've chased all the threads out, means they'll go nicely. Then we can get torquing this down. Cool. That one, I don't need that yet. Oh, fuck's sake. Oh, just do it by hand, fuck it. Oh, come on, off you come. My hands are so slippery and oily now. I'll go around and do all of these by hand. Okay, so the order is... Okay, kind of confusing. Oh my god, this is going to take ages. Oh, why'd you do that? There we go. Let's do a little bit up by hand. Can't get to that one. And they are all looking pretty good at the moment. Now, talk time. So, I've started at the low end, which is 30 newton meters, and the order was. What are you doing that way? It's YouTube. That one first. Went probably a bit too far on that one. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. Oh my god, this is such a mixed match of pulling studs down. This is a workout and a half, I'll tell you that. 5. Oh, a bit too far then. Then this one being 6. And 7. Some of these have become a little bit loose. That one's a bit loose as well. That one a bit loose. That one's a bit loose. That one's a bit loose. Surprising how much that's pulled down actually. 7. 8. 5 will be that one, that's 9. 10. I expect, there's apparently not one there. I expect once you've built enough of these, you know it off by heart. 11. That's 4, that's 8, that's 12. That's 14. 14, 16. Oh no, this one's 12. That's a few. Scared me then. 16. Is that a lot? No, that's 12. 13. 14. Why decreasing that as I'm going? Yeah, out of it. That's 15. Then 16. It's not that one, that one. Then it's back round to the start again, but we'll do this at 40 newton meters now. 1. Oh my god. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6 is that one. 7. 1, 4, 8. 9. Still on 40 newton meters, yep. 9, then it's 10. Then it's 11. But obviously I can count, well done. Oh, fucking Jesus. Then 12, that one. Oh. 14, 16, it's this one. Then it's 13. There's 14. There's 15. There's 16. And we'll do that order again. Make sure 40. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, maybe not quite. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sweet. That is engine fully together now. Oh! Engine's fully assembled, plenty of lube in there, there you go. Lovely RX-7 Apex seals. Just... This is slow, this is nice, good compression. And that is only with the spark plugs lightly screwed in there and no oil things. So if I actually had them in there as well, it would probably seal up even more. And that's obviously all ports, but I am going to be blocking those 3 ports up and only using the 2 peripheral ports. Sweet.